Yo guys, now I told y'all, when the time is here, the time has come, and I'm gonna let you guys know right now, this is the best time to snag them, bruh. Before that resale start to take off, and I'm gonna tell you guys why in today's video, man, but we gotta unbox some grills, and thank God, is not a lot coming out in March or much in April besides the great vibes. So I went ahead and prioritize a couple of things that I took some L's on. So we gotta unbox these things, check them out. Let's get right into it, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. Your boy is back, man. Your boy the vintage back, man. And this is a grill. I'm gonna go ahead and classify it as a grill because I really wanted this one coming to the year. You know what I'm saying? I said, yo, this is one of my most anticipated releases. And as soon as I seen them, I fell in love with them, bro. I said, I gotta get them, but I waited until the price dipped, bro. They dipped tremendously, but I need you guys to take some action soon. You're either gonna wait and wait for that resale to go up, or you're gonna capitalize while that resale is low, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and run the likes up, man. Everybody watching, smack that like button. It is greatly appreciated. And yeah, you guys already know, man, the IG's linked down below, all my social medias down below, and of course I need you guys to comment down below. Let me know what you think some good sneakers to grab right now are. I usually do those videos like quarterly, every other month or something like that, kind of highlighting a couple of sneakers that you should probably check out, get while they low, buy on the dip, you know what I'm saying? And with all that being said, let's get into this unboxing. All right, man, we had to do the infamous box fall out the sky, you know what I'm saying? I had to do the cringe. We had to do the cringe for that one right there. But we have the Rambo knife. And if somebody could tell me what the Rambo knife is for, specifically on this channel, I got something for you. Go ahead and let me know what the Rambo knife for. But let's go ahead and finally get into these guys. You know what I'm saying? This is part of FOMO. This is part of, you know, these being some anticipated joints of mine coming into the year. And, you know, I seen that price dip. I said, you know what, let's go ahead and get these things. And I do have a second video talking about this sneaker because Go did some weird things with this one right here, which I'm going to discuss in a later video. But I did get these from the Go app. So let's go ahead and check them out, man. They here, bro. They finally here. And as soon as y'all see the box, y'all going to know exactly what's up. Y'all going to know what's up with these right here. Let's go ahead and take that tissue paper off. And you know your boy the vintage had to have them. Go ahead, check it out, man. You know what we got, man. Check them out. The box looks even better in person. You have the Bike Air 04 Retro OGSP Fire Orange Cell and Cinnabar. And I got these guys in a size 9, man. We got these guys in a size 9. So let's go ahead. And the box is so dope. It's textured and everything. But let's go ahead and get into them, bro. Again, got these from the lovely Go app right there. And I guess, yeah, just like I seen in the videos, you can take them out like this. Got the Go inside of there. And let's go ahead and check them out. Let's see if I can flip these things out or something like that. I don't know how this works out. But let's go ahead and take them out, bro. I'm excited. I'm excited. It's like a kid opened a present for Christmas, man. Got all this tissue paper and stuff like that. And yeah. We got him. Hold on, man. Hold on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They even better in person, bro. Oh, my God. Check them out. The Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester brick by brick Bike Airs, man. So let me go ahead and pull both of them out right now. This sneaker has so many storylines, headlines, so much controversy. For one, them being backdoor off rip, and then we seen people literally get in trouble stealing thousands of pairs off of trains, like a train heist. They actually did a train heist for these things right here, which we're not going to talk too much about because we talked about these shoes so much. But something I did say in all the videos I talked about, I said the prices will dip. They will go down a bit, and that's when it's gonna be time to grab. And I said I'm gonna come up on YouTube and help you guys out and let you know when to pull that trigger. And I think the time is now. And I told y'all they will see $300 price range. They got these for $380. Shouts out to the Go app. And I said I'm not paying more than $400 on these. I said I'm not paying more than $400, and I was able to secure these joints in the collection. You know what I'm saying? I told you I'm gonna try to stick to around you know, 11 to 12 pairs. We got another one coming in. And yeah, another one of those ones that I had to wait to see how low the resale goes. But bro, these things look so crispy. I seen a homie, Day Sneaker Guy, he had these on early when we went to like a NBA game a couple of months back. And I said, bro, these things is crazy. I said, I gotta get them. And back then, they were going for around $800, $900. Somebody told me they would charge me like $1,100 for them. I said, bro, I'm gonna wait. So I was about to pay $1,100, and now I pay $380 for a sneaker that was much needed to grab this year, in my opinion. This is one of the one, guys. And again, I told y'all right around the drop, it was going for like $420, $430, and then it went up a little bit to like $480. We wanted to dip on that resale price, especially for certain sneakers like these. Of course, they already hyped, they're already limited, they were already backdoored. So, of course, we want to wait until the resale drops just a little bit. And of course, once people start getting their pairs in from sneakers, they start getting their pairs in from these mom and pop shops, raffles, then people will start selling them as soon as they get them because they made a profit. They retail for what, $240, $230, whatever it was, and they selling it for what, $400? That's a nice little come up, bro. Nice little come up, bro. These are so clean. They so clean, bro. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, bro. You got suede, you got like some reptiles. Like this feels very, very textured. Something I've never felt before. And just like the box, you got that texture feel, that brick by brick feel. You get that same material right here on the mud guard, bro. They went crazy on these, bro. I'm super excited, man. I'm up here like a kid on Christmas, bro, unboxing some grills. And again, man, I keep telling people this is my last year with shoes. And I don't think, what are they gonna do? What can they do next year to top a release like these right here? Yo, so I had to pull up GOAT right now, and it's so crazy. I got my pair for $380. Literally within a week of me pulling the trigger on these, they have already went up to $452. So I'm glad I'm comfortable here right now. Literally, they shipped these so quick, which I'm gonna talk about in another video, but they went up almost $70. But of course, make sure you bid. People are going to accept bids on GOAT or wherever you do buy your sneakers. Just because I got that buy now price, don't mean you gotta take that buy now price. Bid on your sneakers. You could definitely get them a lot cheaper than what the buy now price is. But man, they starting to creep up already, bro. Go ahead and snag them. I seen the bigger size, like 10 and a half, 11, 13. Bro, you probably want to pull that trigger ASAP Rocky, because when it gets around, you know, summertime and people trying to get a fire pair of kicks, the brick by bricks is something they definitely gonna go run into, man. So yeah, guys, I appreciate y'all for tapping into today's video, man. This is me unboxing some much needed sneakers in the collection. You can't come into the year and see all this heat and not pick up these, you know what I'm saying? We got so much other heat that, again, it's been a slow month this month and it's a slow month next month, with only the Great Fives coming out that I gotta grab, of course. I gotta get the Great Fives. And other than that, I can go reach back and get some of these sneakers that I missed out on, man. But one little quick 360 Bike Air Nigel Sylvester brick by bricks look much better in person. And I'm not gonna lie, bruh, I know y'all gonna hate me for saying it, but could potentially be the sneaker of the year. It's potential. It's up to you. It's all subjective. It's all what you think. It's all opinionated, man. So if this is your sneaker of the year, hey, hats off to you. You buy what you like what you like, and your sneaker of the year can be anything, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Run them likes up. And with all that's been said, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.